Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to beat level 16 or last word survival frontline breakthrough. And yes, this method is still works in 2025. Let's dive right in. Step or start level by 16 or start level 16 by destroying the first three barriers right at the beginning. Each one gives you an extra soldier. That's a total of 3 right off the bat. Now move on your target to the left red rectangle labeled 1. This converts into 14 or 15 soldiers on your side. After that, grab the vehicle carrying 2 more troops and turn the left rectangle blue to gain even more reinforcements. At this point, you'll get an alert. The Doom Elite is on the way. Now things get strategic. You'll see 2 soldiers bearers on the left, an AK barrel in the center, and another red rectangle on the right. Your first priority, break the rule or middle AK barrel, then position your troops to snake through the opening, minimize losses. Once that's done, focus on breaking the AK barrel on the right, followed by the rocket launcher nearby. This gives you enough firepower to grab the 2 soldiers from the left side. After that, destroy the middle barrel to unlock 2 more troops. Now check your information. You should see 3 soldiers on the left, 2 in the center, and a 200 red zone on the right. Use 2 of your soldiers to break the middle barrel, then immediately go for the 3 barrels is on the left. If done right, you'll destroy the left triple serrated barrel with enough force. Here comes the final change. The Doom Elite. To beat it, just keep moving left and right to dodge the damage and keep your squad alive. Once you take the down Doom Elite, boom, you have completed the 16 level of frontline breakthrough. Once you take down the Doom Elite, you have completed the 16 frontline. For a smoother run, make sure your troops are fully upgraded. Trooping up your resources helps boost your soldier strength and gear, a huge advantage in these tougher missions. And that's it for today's guide. If it helped you out, don't forget to like and share and hit subscribe button for more updates like Last War strategies. Thanks for watching.